Want to give your Pandora designs a personalized touch by editing them directly in Adobe Illustrator? First, access the design you want to customize from your Pandora account and export it in a compatible vector format, such as SVG or EPS. Open Adobe Illustrator, then navigate to File and select Open to import the file you just exported. Your design elements from Pandora are likely grouped. Select the design and ungroup them by right-clicking and choosing Ungroup, or using the shortcut Ctrl-Shift on Windows or Command-Shift on Mac. Do this multiple times if there are nested groups. Now, using the Direct Selection tool, that's the white arrow, click on individual elements within the design to select them. You can now modify almost anything, change colors using the color picker, adjust shapes with the pen tool, alter the layout by dragging elements, or incorporate your own branding by adding logos or text. To edit text, select the Type tool and click on the text you wish to modify. Change the font, size, or content as needed. To add your own branding, simply import your logo or other graphical elements and position them within the design. Once you're satisfied with your edits, save your customized design. Go to File, then Save As, and choose a suitable vector format like SVG or EPS for web use, or AI for further editing. And that's it. You've successfully edited your Pandora design in Adobe Illustrator, giving it a unique and personalized look. Be sure to like and subscribe for more design tutorials.